Hey Mom, we haven't made our favorite veggie stir fry in so long. Shall we make it today, Mom, please?
Mum, you look a bit tired today. Hey Mum, I'll cook dinner today. You go and rest or catch up with other things.
So sweet of her. I'll just fold the laundry while she takes charge of dinner. That was a quick call. I'm just going to pick up your brother from soccer practice now. Be back soon. You're doing great. Thank you. Washing these veggies so clean and so bright, getting them ready for dinner tonight, everything fresh and so perfectly sweet, making a meal that is quite a treat. Doon, doon. Cut them all about the same size so they cook evenly together. Mix our shiny glaze first. Soy sauce, honey, ginger garlic, and cornflour water. Stir smooth. Let's heat up a little oil. Get it nice and hot. Carrot and broccoli go in first. Peppers and onion next. Keep them bright and crunchy. Now our magic glaze. Watch it coat everything beautifully. Toss for 1 minute only until thick and shiny. That's it! Quick, healthy, and so delicious. I'm back! The courier just dropped this parcel for you. Oh, wow. It smells absolutely wonderful in here. Look at that. So beautiful and shiny. You did such a great job. That's what family is. We take turns. We help each other. And we make every ordinary day feel special together. What's inside the parcel? It's a surprise. It's a surprise, just for you.